Alright, so as you can see here, bike's completely apart. Now the swing arm's going, that's just there to take measurements off. So I've started making this rear end. So I've got the right angle now, which is about 30 degrees. So I've got a nice little kick here to have some cool shape in the King Queen seat. So now I'm going to make the bottom section. It's going to come off here, it's going to come along and kick up, and we'll put a plate in here to bolt the royal to, and then we can take the swing arm out. So that's kind of where we're at the moment, and I'll keep you all posted.